Hey guys, it's me, Misha. Let's take a look at our Monday. Let's take a look at our sweethearts. Um, dollar and yeah, it was a 0.5. It jerked. That would be good for a short. Yeah, that would be good for a short. This guy looks like it tries to bounce, but yeah, again went to the volume area. Now tries to bounce. Yeah, all within the logic of short motion. And this guy, it's like highly correlated to um, rubble is tightly correlated to oil price because that's all Russia does basically, sells oil and gas. Technically it broke down here, but it's also a reversal extremum. It's also a reversal extremum, so now it's like this thing, yeah, wants to reverse, but there's like this volume abnormality. And like stay away from the market whenever you see an abnormality. Like once again, that's part of the reason we see them on the market, because everyone gets like super excited. It appeals to our hunter predator instincts. Like, ooh, something is moving fast. I'm gonna hop on this train before it's gone. Don't do that. Something is abnormal only. Like any animal will tell you, they only hunt when prey behaves in a regular manner, in a predictable regular manner. Same for like, I don't want to go there. But I was gonna say same for criminals. They only do their crimes when everything like checks out. If anything, like the car thief will not go into open car, generally speaking. And you know that like rapist needs a victim behavior. I don't know how we ended up there all of a sudden, but I hope you're following the point. Yeah, like this was strengths and then it went all the way down, and now like stuff going on in Middle East, so I think that contributes. So yeah, yeah, we'll continue watching. We'll see how it goes here. Yeah, we still. This is an interesting level on daily, right? It's like it's 0.5, not of the entire motion, but there's a lot of 0.5s, but like a, but this one, yeah, gotta be super careful. Same for yuan. It's a good level. Like yuan looks better, it looks stronger. It's a good level for this range. Um, this volume level is not the biggest. This is the biggest, but it's like definitely one of the, and it's already tested, and test weakens the volume zone. So also got to be careful here. Okay, our American market. Our coin does what it does. Yeah, it just hangs out there. Intel continues to die. Always mean it. Johnson and Johnson tries to recover. Tries to show us a little something. Was there an entry? So technically this was an entry. Is it bigger volume? Still smaller, right? 122 also. And it's already tested, so. Yeah, guys. But we were kind of in this volume level. We were still under that volume level. And that's maybe why they never help. Yeah, we were like all over here. So this entire bar is like one single volume level. Yeah, so I wouldn't be able to identify it, but yeah. Some other people would. And that would be like a 2R. In anyhow, we are in this. I am in this stock, and I need to get out first. But yeah, Johnson and Johnson shows us some signs of reversal. This guy tries to do something. I don't know. I don't know. Boom. Pfizer took off without us. With ooh. Yeah. It's definitely a weird stock. VGI is gone. A lot of things show signs of recovering. Not AMT though. Not AMT though, not yet. CVS. This is good for short, I think. TD's in this volume level again. Never mind this level. And we'll see how it works with this volume. Like, but yeah. It's kind of like, it doesn't look like a correction. Still smaller volume, but you do. This is gone. This is gone. Yeah. This is gone. That was an enter, right? No. Anyhow, this is gone. Yeah. So this one, but this volume. So if it manipulates this volume, can be good entry. Oh yeah. If it goes here, springs it, that would be good for a quick trade. This volume is alarming. This model is not working anymore. Yeah, this model is not working anymore. After this volume, yeah, it's the biggest volume of this entire move. And it's short. And that was correction to 0.5. Didn't give us a test. Apple. Trying to recover. But these volumes are now in our face. Yeah. The doom. Pepsi's gone. Pepsi's gone. Pepsi says bye-bye. It's not a matter of the fact it's gonna get out of this balance. The Greek does not work for us anymore too. You see how like it's lower than 0.5 and this volume, so if it ever gets below this volume, it's no bueno. Yeah, this guy just didn't go to the monthly support. It's just gone. This 0.5 correction is sweet. So it comes here, springs it. And was there really... There was a reversal, yeah, it went up, down. Like how it reversed. This volume. One lower, lower, lower. And then... Yeah. And then just gapped. It happens. Well, there's this volume here, yeah. Yeah, it's was weak, didn't even reach there. Would be good buy from here. Deepa tries to do a little something. TSBC, so that was it for correction probably. That was the exhaustion. It's still goes like this. Still goes like this. It bounces right in 0.5. Yeah. Right in 0.5. What's our monthly situation? I put this volume here because it was a big volume and then like spring here, but technically it's we're in a short impulse right now. We are in a short impulse. Yeah. Okay, our monthlies. Yeah, guys, I think that's it. I'm gonna go. This is a bit stretched because the support level goes underneath the previous monthly, but also like it's possible because now this is our support level. Yeah. Oh, Verizon. Ooh. Look at Verizon. Where are we on Verizon? Anyone knows? Like, looks like telecommunication. Is it because of all the slow coasters and like pricing goes? I don't know, but beside TNT, I'm not even mentioning Vodafone. like telecommunications sector, like retail, look like just it dies. But this jumped out, and that was an exhaustion volume. So on monthly we have a model strength, weakness, but then this guy, it's earnings. I mean, this like looks a little suicidal. Okay, I'm Russian, so what the heck? It's not an excuse, of course, but uh, it's not an excuse, of course. Well, super technically, we don't even need a. Was there a bigger volume? Where was the biggest volume? Biggest volume. Yeah, that's an exhaustion volume. This is tested. This is like 21.5, 21. Yeah, this is still bigger. Yeah, this is tested. This is exhaustion. But it just crashed. And I bet my rear part, the earnings, well, yeah, no, the earnings have a surprise. So this is at least like logical in some sense. But earnings, revenue, yeah, okay. Not by far, like, I mean, BS. Like, earnings are missing by like what, 1%, less than 1%, 0.7%. And surprise, revenue, I'm sorry, and surprise earnings almost 3% up above the expected. So, no, it's absolutely. Don't try to make any sense of reporting to price action correlation. Just doesn't make any sense. Yeah, so that's where we are for now. Let's put it on a watch. It's wild, but where's this volume? And this volume again. Okay. That's not what I meant. Yesterday, and then boom, all the volume comes here, and then it collapses down. Yeah, someone was trying to buy out this volume, but didn't hold, and then it went down and here and down, lower, lower, and then died. Yeah, so super weak on hourly, and yet on daily. We watch it. You don't call it coincidence of levels, do you? It came by, jumped over. So this was the last level, went down here, up here. Well, you after this volume, no. I mean, potentially you could look at it as a coincidence of the level. So it was going up, up. Here it broke, reversed, confirmed here. Here's the T2 level, and then it becomes T1. And then it comes and it then just drops all the way back to here. You wouldn't call it a balance, of course, but technically, well, but it's still aggressive. Yeah, the only difference is like for spring to make it would be enough to. Are you following? I'm talking about this kind of situation here. And then tries to change the direction and then falls all the way down. So, like, then technically, It's like this now. I mean, there was a transitory extremum here, so we'll respect that, and it doesn't make much of a difference. So the only difference here would be that uh, if it like pops out tomorrow and does this little spring here, so if it goes above this level but not above this level, that's going to make a difference. Let's be more conservative and see transitory extremum. So if you're not sure what you're doing, always work through transitory extremum. Our monthlies. Hey, McDonald's. What are you hiding from me? Nothing. What's here? What's new? I don't like this. And you cannot switch off this notification, so like it kind of annoys me when I have unanswered notifications or something. And that's exactly why they do it. They know that some people are like me. And I don't read them. I just open them and so that the red thing goes away and switch it off. Oh, what is this? I think this doesn't it? Oops. No, I'm sorry. Yeah, I came to 0.5 and then yeah, did this spring. There was no volume here, so what it tries to do now is initiative takeover, also dividends earnings. Comme ci, comme ça. That might have been all for correction. Well, that will be fine if sell in May, stay away will work for this year. So April we had a correction and then May will bloom and then just hopefully I'll close my positions. And then it's gonna be boring summer and then who knows what happens in the fall. These guys are so creative in the smart money. Alright, yeah. Changing directionality, there is no way I could have predicted it. It's a balance and it breaks out of this balance. And it's Procter and Gamble. I don't need the Gamble part of it, but Procter, I'm not sure what it stands for. But I'll assume it's a last name, so. And then this volume comes in, yeah. And it's like, I'm done. I'm done correcting. Yeah, could have taken it from here on Friday. But, I mean, who knew that was it for the correction? Maybe now volume distribution. So this volume is still here. This volume is lower. Yeah, there is no volume in this guy. So boom, boom, it's a balance. It's still a balance. Still a balance. Yeah, on hourly, that was an entry point on Procter and Gamble on Friday. If you wanted to take it, it was all yours. It was all yours. It was a little bit too far from 0.5 on daily and monthly. Let's start from this here. So it's okay for monthly. You see, it's close. On daily, it's like, but still, good. Yeah, that was a good trade on Friday. There was a good trade on Friday for us. Then it goes down, and then is it 1, 2, 1, 2? Yeah, it's a balance here, and ever since it's a balance. It's a short balance. That's, look at this beauty. Yeah, these 2 R's were just right there for us. Yeah, goes here, it expands right again. Then this volume comes in and it's like, hello, I'm exhaustion volume right here, right for you. If you want me, who wants to hop on this train? Yeah, it's right there. Beautiful exhaustion. Like, this is a little unvolumed. Like, there is, I mean, so this is concerning, but after this, like, hello. Anybody home? Who wants to take me? Well, counter trend, so, I mean, aggressive, so, we would need a test here. So that would be our entry point, and we won't be, like, closing today yet, but, I mean, good 2 hours right here for us. If you're ready to take it. I wasn't. Know about you guys. I wasn't ready to take it. That would be still, like, once again, like here, it was still aggressive counter trend, so like you wouldn't take it like this. But yeah, this entry is way better than here. So could have been green today. Procter and Gamble, like we put it on daily watch now, right? Yes. This is close to. Did it bounce too? No, it did not. It went up, 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 up. That was a balance here. It was. So then down, down, down here, yeah. A lot of things break out. A lot of things break out. Roku. Yeah, that's all I've got, guys. That's all I've got. It's probably gone without us. Wait, let me think. This volume and this volume. Yeah, there's nothing I can do about it. Yeah, there's nothing I can do about it. Leave it alone. Yeah. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go. Oh, wait. This is nowhere right, but this is the. Wait, what? Who is here? Sorry, you don't belong here. You belong to days and hours. Yeah, this is a transitory extremum here, so. So this is now here. This is important development, I'd say. It's a little bit low, below 0.5. And you have this volume. That's a different gem now. I mean, if it comes to and we have a change directionality confirmed. Comes springs here. This volume now. Yeah. This volume is still bigger. It's not, you know, so it's still within the correction logic. You gotta be careful here though. Still didn't close me by an inch. Like I got like 1/3 in 2 hour, and then on hourly, then stretched another third up to here, and another last third was here, but I didn't take it. It came. Probably should have closed here. Could have closed here because this is a do they call it evening star in some cultures? Uh, it's a shortening of thrust. Comparable volume, clear sign of correction reversal. I was expecting like correction and then push. Anyhow, I still hold a third of my original position. And I'm ready to buy more if it comes here. Gotta be super quick though. I don't know. This volume kind of dominates now. It's right above us. I'll be thinking about it. But yeah, that's all I've got for today. I'm gonna go start my day. You guys stay well, trade responsible. Everything I say is not a financial advice. I hope we all are in agreement on that. Trade responsibly on your own. Learn and grow with like-minded people. Make your decisions and trade on your own. That's how we go. That's a transitory extremum. And hello, we have all this volume in our face. So don't get too excited. Once again, on this one, it's like I'm exhaustion volume. But on hourly, it's like I'm not so sure about it. Yeah. This is like days, I'm like the biggest volume. But hours is like, yeah. But I'm all here. And 5 minutes is like, sure. Exhaustion volume. I'm all here. I'm all above you. Only this part is tested. So starting from here is a big fat quote unquote exhaustion volume that will just hammer the price back down. Unless we'll see like a fat good initiative takeover with the bigger volume, like boom, like it doesn't look that good no more, does it? And also I've been like catching myself like doing the same mistake again and again, so like just limiting this volume area here, like making my volume profile and then taking the straight counter trend because I'm gonna take it short, you know, just gonna take this bounce like spring, not the bounce but the spring, and yeah, like my take profit is going to be above this volume. It's kind of legitimate thought, but when the entire market goes down, like here's good, the model is still here, strengths, weakness, so yeah, we'll see how it goes.